I don't know whether I'm the only one who gets so excited when they are going to the market, because I'm really so excited, to be honest. And I am so excited to do the vlog as well, because I can't remember the last time I did the vlog. I can't remember. And I'm gonna put tripod. Welcome to the vlog. We're heading to the market and I'm gonna spend the day with you guys, so let's go. So I just got back and I'm gonna show you what I bought. So I bought bananas, avocados, onion, mangoes, lemons, meat. This is 1 kg lamb. Actually, I don't like eating beef for whatever reason, so I don't buy beef. I only buy lamb. Then I got some apples. So of course I'm gonna be making a smoothie. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clean up the fridge and I'm gonna put all these things in the fridge, but I still need to do more grocery shopping. So it's 7 p.m. and I think the last thing I did was I came back from the market and I showed you guys what I bought from the market. And I said I was gonna clean the fridge. I didn't. I slept. I slept and I did what, Netflix. So anyway, it's 7 p.m. now. I just came back from the grocery store. So those are all the stuff that I bought from the market. We have the eggs, capsicum, this breakfast shake. And now let's clean the fridge. Oh my god, that took so much time. You know, cleaning all the shelves and all the other stuff. It took so much time than I thought. And now we're gonna put in the stuff in there. I'm kind of disappointed in this. You see this shelf? This one. I was trying to move it because of course I need to move it up to somewhere here, but I couldn't. My body and mind. My body and mind. My bananas. I'm so disappointed in my bananas, to be honest. I bought them yesterday and they've already started going bad. So I don't even think they're gonna last for a few days. 2 days they're gonna be gone. So anyway, that is what happens. That is what happens. It is what it is. Maybe they were too ripe. Maybe I didn't realize that. So I'm just gonna freeze them. Yeah, I'm gonna freeze them. I'm gonna peel them and freeze them, because this by tomorrow they're just gonna be they're gonna be looking so terrible. Got my mangoes and I'm gonna wash them before I put them in the fridge.
this ain't a fight, even though there's overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low.
I'm gonna show you how the fridge is looking like. Here we are.
I'm falling behind. I hate to separate my body and mind. My body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind. Demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind. Demons.
Now that I'm done with the fridge, I'm gonna do the pantry. The pantry is just here and it's looking chaotic at the moment. I'm gonna need the containers, which I don't have, so I might as well go to Kmart and get some containers, and then I can fix the pantry. And I still have fruits here. Still got my fruits here. And while I was doing all that, I was filming for my Instagram. Filming for my Instagram, so this is what I used to film for my Instagram, my phone and my tripod. And yeah, that is what has been happening today. Actually forgot to show you my freezer, and I'm gonna show you my freezer in a minute. Just now, I don't have much in the freezer because, like I said, I live by myself. So these are just fruits for my smoothies. This is chicken. These are just some vegetables, but I'll need more vegetables, which I'll get some other times. It's just my meat, you know. And I got more space here. Ooh, got more space on the freezer, but I don't have much to put there. But I'll probably get some frozen vegetables for my freezer.